What's up, people? Today we commence Operation Drift Trike. Drift Trike. I don't know, but it's, half dirt bike, half drift trike, all mayhem. So, first things first, I need to see if this axle even fits the width of my mini truck bed because the plan is to transport it in there. Oh, it's perfect. That was close though. I got like 2 inches to spare. But oh no! No! So hopefully what I recorded, we fixed, but you'll see. the right spot. Should we? Is there enough light? Can you see everything?
Yes.
So we built it, but my battery died, and then I forgot to bring the camera for a couple of days. So to recap, what you probably missed, the exhaust, which fits surprisingly well, mostly the whole pipe. We just had to chop and do a bunch of weird pie cuts at the front to flip it, because it was on the other side originally. Well, don't show them that much, it was fucking ugly.
Well, this is a quick little
Anywho.
flip over.
Probably missed the shifter linkage, which I have to weld because I broke just now.
But
This is a T-square.
Yeah, and this is a
and that's our shifter peg.
50
Not
cal.
quite 50 cal. It's more like a 45.
Big.
I mean, it was nuts and bolts I had laying around and pipe.
Oh yeah, nuts and bolts.
What else do we do?
And
I mean,
a bullet.
I'm pretty sure you guys saw me finish that. We just temporarily did the wires and everything to get it to fit right.
We're not sure about the tank yet.
I don't like it.
Oh.
Like the shape's okay, but it's got too many like screw holes and other things where the plastics were mounted.
Mhm.
So I'm not crazy about it. But yeah, now you're caught up. Now we have a driving motorcycle drift trike.
Oh.
Alright, if that falls off, we're mashing it way too hard. Alright, with phase 1 fabrication complete, we are now going to strip it back down, but not all the way yet. I'm working on some templates for some sheet metal. Make it look a little bit cooler than it already is, which is going to be quite a task, but I have ideas. So before I take everything off and don't know how it's all going to fit together with the sheet metal, we're going to make some templates and then strip it down, paint it, all that stuff.
Alrighty. Well, this is the part where we get ready for UC3 at the last minute. But it's gonna get fucking done and it's gonna look dope. So time lapse.
must be something after for it to come in here. Did we get that on camera?
Wait. That did not just happen. I did not accidentally just pet a squirrel.
That was a groundhog.
That's a groundhog? No, it was a squirrel.
It's a groundhog. It's a baby groundhog. Small.
Told you I was coming back. I was coming with a face.
See you tomorrow. No, I'm not even in the frame. Say bye. Fuel armed. Ignition on. Fuels on.
You?
Clear.
Am I good enough to do one picture?
Oh, baby. Don't mind the rattle. It's the sheet metal.
Is it warm already?
It might need a little bit. That chop though. That's probably so shaky. Alright. Let's see how scary this is gonna be.